everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you the Swan Method, a simple way to speed up your plant growth in the new Grow a Garden 2 Fall Harvest update. So in the latest update, introduce the Fall Harvest map that featuring a beautiful autumn theme like this. And in here, when you walk around to the map, you can find or you can meet the any pets on here, and one of them you can also find this one, and this one has a legendary rarity, so it can be a little tricky to find, and it will appear as a random spawn wandering around the fall harvest map. And when you spot it, you can purchase it for 1.6 million if I'm not mistaken. And in here, now here's why this one method is useful, because this one wander around your garden and will periodically spits water on nearby plants, which helps speed up their growth. So if you are trying to grow your plant faster, these ones can be a really useful pet to have. And just let it wander around your garden, and its ability will periodically water nearby plants for you. And in here, unfortunately, I can't demonstrate the ability in actions yet because I don't have enough fall harvest currency to buy this pad, and also it hasn't spawned on my map so far. And okay, maybe that's it about this one method works. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!